that the Los Angeles area does not need. There is a new wildfire that is tearing through the dry brush, and it is 0% contained. It's called the Hughes Fire, and it's burning fast, about 30 acres a minute.
Amid the raging LA wildfires, a drone made a chilling discovery that no one was supposed to see, sending shockwaves through those who witnessed it. As the flames consumed everything in their path, this mysterious find deep in the scorched wilderness has left authorities tight-lipped and the public buzzing with questions. What was uncovered among the ashes of destruction? The truth is stranger and more terrifying than anyone could have imagined. The discovery. As the LA wildfires raged uncontrollably, reducing forests to ash and turning skies into a fiery red haze, a drone operator ventured where no one else dared. Flying over the charred ruins, the drone's camera captured more than just burning trees and smoldering debris. It uncovered something truly chilling. Deep within the heart of the devastation, the drone spotted what appeared to be a hidden structure, untouched by flames. It stood eerily intact amidst the scorched earth, as if the fire had purposely avoided it. But that wasn't all. The footage revealed strange markings on the ground nearby, almost like symbols burned into the earth. What was this place? And why did it feel like it didn't belong there? Speculations began swirling online when the video was leaked. Some claimed it was an abandoned government facility, hidden for years and revealed only by the destruction of the wildfire. Others insisted it might be connected to something darker, illegal experiments, secret projects, or even evidence of a cover-up. What made the discovery even more mysterious was the silence from officials. Despite mounting questions, they refused to address the footage. This only fueled conspiracy theories, leaving people wondering if they had something to hide. Whatever the truth is, one thing is certain. The drone's chilling discovery has opened a Pandora's box of questions. Was it fate, coincidence, or something else entirely that led to this hidden secret being exposed? For now, the answers remain buried in the ashes. Hidden secrets. When the LA wildfires ripped through the hills, they left nothing but devastation in their wake, or so everyone thought. But as the smoke cleared and the ashes settled, a drone's unexpected discovery unearthed a mystery that has everyone asking questions. Deep within the burnt landscape, the drone's footage captured something strange. A hidden bunker-like structure buried beneath layers of debris. Its entrance was camouflaged, as if designed to stay unnoticed. Surrounding the site were strange patterns scorched into the earth, almost like signals or warnings. The chilling part? This area was supposed to be completely uninhabited. The discovery set the internet ablaze with theories. Could this bunker be linked to secret experiments, hidden government research, or even something more sinister? Some speculate it might have been a safe house for illegal activities, while others wonder if it's evidence of a long-forgotten project buried in history. Adding to the mystery, officials have remained silent about the find. They've neither confirmed nor denied the existence of the site, which only fuels the rumors. Why won't they speak? What are they hiding? And then there's the question of how the structure survived. Was it fireproofed, or was there something more unnatural at play? One thing is certain. This discovery wasn't meant to be found. The secrets buried beneath the wildfire's destruction may never be fully revealed. But for now, the world is left wondering what else might be hidden in plain sight. Restricted area. When the LA wildfires tore through miles of wilderness, firefighters and authorities marked certain zones as restricted areas for safety. But as one drone operator pushed boundaries, what they uncovered in one of these zones has sparked more questions than answers. This wasn't just an ordinary no-go zone. The restricted area seemed off-limits for reasons beyond the fire's destruction. As the drone buzzed over the blackened earth, it stumbled upon something shocking. A hidden compound tucked away from sight. Its design didn't match anything you'd expect in the middle of a wildfire zone. The area had strange markings surrounding it, as if there was a deliberate effort to protect it or keep it a secret. Theories about the restricted zone immediately caught fire online. Some claimed it was a top-secret government project concealed for years, exposed only because of the wildfire. Others speculated it was an abandoned site for experiments or something even darker. An operation that was never supposed to come to light. But what really has people talking is the response. Authorities haven't acknowledged the footage. nor have they clarified why this area was off-limits. Was it purely for safety? Or was there something they didn't want the public to see? Even firefighters were reportedly instructed to stay clear of this section, which only deepens the mystery. What was so important or dangerous about this place that it had to remain hidden? Mysterious object. As the flames of the LA wildfires consumed everything in their path, a drone soared over the devastation, capturing haunting footage of the destruction. But what it found hidden in the ashes has left everyone stunned. A mysterious object unlike anything anyone expected. The footage shows the object nestled in a scorched clearing, untouched by the fire. It's metallic, strangely shaped, and eerily out of place in the desolate wilderness. The way it gleamed against the charred ground almost seemed intentional, as if it wanted to be found. But here's the twist. No one can explain what it is or how it got there. Theories exploded online the moment the footage surfaced. Some believe it's a piece of advanced technology, possibly from a secret project buried and forgotten. Others suggest something more unexplainable, an artifact not of this world. Its odd design, smooth curves, and glowing edges don't match anything people have seen before. Authorities, of course, remain silent, fueling even more speculation. Was this object hidden intentionally, only to be exposed by the fire? Or is it a sign of something we're not prepared to understand? Adding to the mystery, people close to the discovery have reported odd behavior in the area, unexplained interference with electronics and strange sounds emanating from the object. What is this mysterious object? A relic of the past, evidence of something bigger, or a harbinger of secrets yet to come? One thing's certain. This discovery is only the beginning of a story no one was ready to uncover. Human involvement. When a drone captured shocking footage during the LA wildfires, the discovery raised more than just eyebrows. It sparked a flurry of questions about who or what might be involved. Hidden in the scorched landscape was something that didn't belong. A strange structure surrounded by bizarre markings. The mystery deepened when rumors of human involvement began to swirl. Many now wonder, was this an accident or a carefully hidden secret exposed by nature's fury? Speculation is rampant that the structure could be tied to clandestine operations. Could it have been a site for illegal activities like hidden labs or smuggling routes? Or worse, was it part of a larger, organized effort to hide something dangerous or unethical? Adding fuel to the fire are reports of suspicious behavior before the wildfires even began. Witnesses claim to have seen unmarked vehicles heading into the restricted area weeks before the flames spread. Some even suggest the fire itself might not have been entirely natural. Was it an unfortunate accident, or could it have been a deliberate act to cover tracks and erase evidence? Officials, as expected, aren't saying much. Their silence is only making the situation more suspicious. If there's nothing to hide, why not come forward and explain? One thing is certain. This isn't just about the fire anymore. The clues point to a larger story, one that involves people, decisions, and actions that someone wanted to keep hidden. But now, those secrets are literally rising from the ashes for everyone to see. Interference with firefighters. Fighting the LA wildfires was already a dangerous and exhausting battle, but what happened next made the situation even worse. As firefighters braved the heat and flames to save lives and property, they faced an unexpected obstacle: drones. One rogue drone in particular flew directly into their airspace and disrupted their critical operations, leading to a near disaster. Firefighters rely on aircraft to drop water and retardant over the flames. But when a drone enters the airspace, those aircraft are forced to ground immediately for safety. This delay can mean the difference between containing a fire and letting it spiral out of control. That's exactly what happened during the LA wildfires. Reports say a drone operator flew into a restricted area to capture dramatic footage of the blaze. Instead of helping, their actions halted aerial operations for hours, allowing the fire to spread further. In one alarming incident, a drone came dangerously close to colliding with a firefighting helicopter, risking lives in the process. The consequences of such interference are severe, not just legally, but also in terms of human impact. Firefighters risk their lives every second they're out there, and having to stop because of a drone could cost lives and millions in damages. This recklessness has left many asking, Why are some people so willing to jeopardize the safety of others for a shot of viral footage? The takeaway is clear. Drones and firefighting don't mix. When every second counts, there's no room for interference. Government silence. As the shocking drone footage from the LA wildfires made its way online, one question loomed larger than the flames themselves. Why isn't the government saying anything? The footage revealed a mysterious structure buried deep in the wildfire zone, untouched by flames and surrounded by strange markings. The discovery has everyone talking, except the people who might actually know what it is. The government's silence on the matter has only fueled the growing frenzy of theories. Some speculate it's a forgotten facility tied to secret projects. Others wonder if it's evidence of something far darker, hidden experiments or operations that were never meant to come to light. With no official explanation, people are left to fill in the gaps with their imaginations, and the possibilities are endless. But it's not just the lack of answers that's concerning. It's the deliberate effort to keep things quiet. Witnesses claim that authorities quickly sealed off the area where the object was found, with no public announcements or updates. Even first responders reportedly received strict orders to stay clear of certain zones. Why the secrecy? Is it to protect the public from something dangerous, or to protect themselves from scrutiny? The lack of transparency has created a vacuum of trust, leaving people to wonder what else might be hidden. For now, the government's silence speaks louder than any explanation ever could. Whatever they're not saying might be the biggest clue of all, because sometimes, what's not revealed is the most revealing thing of all. Public reaction. When the drone footage from the LA wildfires hit the internet, it didn't just shock viewers, it set off a storm of reactions. The footage revealed something unsettling. A hidden structure deep in the wildfire zone, untouched by flames and surrounded by strange markings. As soon as it went viral, social media exploded with questions, theories, and wild speculations about what it all meant. Some viewers were quick to label it as a secret government facility, long forgotten and exposed by the disaster. Others jumped to more extreme conclusions, suggesting it could be linked to illegal activities, or even something otherworldly. The mystery of the hidden object seemed to fuel every possible theory, from alien involvement to covert experiments gone wrong. But while some found themselves captivated by the mystery, others were deeply concerned. Many questioned why the footage was even being shared, fearing it might be putting lives in danger or hindering firefighting efforts. It wasn't just the discovery that got people talking. It was the fact that drones, which are supposed to help, were causing chaos and disrupting crucial emergency operations. As authorities stayed silent, the public became even more anxious. Why wasn't anyone stepping up to clarify what was happening? Why the secrecy? The lack of answers only deepened the mystery, leaving the public more divided and curious than ever. Ethical questions. The shocking discovery made by a drone during the LA wildfires has raised more than just eyebrows. It's sparked a wave of ethical questions that no one seems to be able to answer. Hidden deep in the wildfire zone was a mysterious structure, untouched by the flames and surrounded by strange symbols. The footage went viral almost instantly, but the question on everyone's mind isn't just, what is it, but should we have seen it? The ethical dilemma begins with the very act of capturing and sharing such footage. Should drones be allowed to fly over disaster zones, especially when they could interfere with firefighting efforts? In this case, a rogue drone had already disrupted operations, halting the aerial drops of water and retardant. The consequences of that one drone could have been catastrophic, yet its operator was focused on getting viral footage rather than helping. Then comes the bigger question. Is it right to expose sensitive discoveries to the public, especially when the authorities remain silent? Some argue that revealing hidden secrets is necessary for transparency, while others believe that certain things should remain buried for the greater good. The unknown structure could be tied to dangerous projects or cover-ups. Do we really want to know? Legal consequences. When a drone flew into the heart of the LA wildfires to capture jaw-dropping footage, it didn't just stumble upon a mystery, it broke the law. The footage revealed a hidden structure deep in the disaster zone, untouched by flames, but it also exposed the serious legal risks that come with flying drones in restricted areas. The problem? Flying drones in wildfire zones isn't just a bad idea. It's illegal. Authorities have strict rules to prevent interference with firefighting efforts, and for good reason. Drones can delay rescue operations, endanger lives, and cause chaos when they're not supposed to be in the air. Yet, the drone operator who filmed the now famous footage ignored these rules, potentially making a dangerous situation even worse. The legal consequences of such actions are severe. Anyone caught flying a drone in a restricted area could face hefty fines or even jail time. In some cases, the fines can reach tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the severity of the interference. But it's not just about the financial penalty. There are safety concerns too. Drones can collide with firefighting aircraft, like helicopters and planes, which puts both the crew and the entire operation at risk. Now, as the authorities investigate the rogue drone operator, the question remains, will the legal consequences be enough to send a clear message that no viral video is worth the risks? In this case, the price for ignoring the law might be higher than anyone imagined.